hate my parents. They always grounds and punish me for no reason. I'm sick and tired of this. I know I'll send my parents to middle of nowhere. Ha 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 ha.
Caillou, are you supposed to be in your room?
Caillou, you're grounded for knocking your father out.
There they are asleep. Time to take them to middle of nowhere. I'll just use this huge bag to carry them. Time to go. Wait, I forgot my mom and dad's car is at the repair shop. I will need a pickup truck to carry my mom and dad.
Hey, what are you doing? Oh my god, that bald kid just stole my truck. That's it, I'm calling the police. Hello, is this the police? Yes, a bald kid just stolen my truck. It's blue and it's a 1983 Chevrolet S10. Don't worry, Leroy will pick you up and we will find your truck. Come on, let's get that person who stole your truck. This is the police. Pull over now.
Oh no, I need to go faster. This thing only goes about 85 miles per hour? Leroy, why do you have to buy this truck? I need to lose the police. I know I can disappear. Man, that was close. Now time to go to middle of nowhere. Yay, I'm here now. Time to leave my parents here.
Hey, where are we?
I don't know, Boris.
Wait a minute, it was Caillou.
Why, that little bratty is so much trouble when we get home. Wait a minute, Boris, how did Caillou carry us? He can't not even lift us.
Yeah, you're right, Doris. Caillou don't lift weights and has 2 weeks, so how? God damn it, now I got no truck because of that bald kid. Excuse me, kid, did you say you got no truck because of the bald kid? Yes, I did. A white kid who wears a yellow shirt, blue shorts, no hair had hijacked me out of my truck when I was going home from school. I even saw a bag that he put in my truck's bed. Oh wow, oh. Whoa, it was Caillou. Now I know how he carry us. He use your truck now has even more trouble. Luckily I have the police with me this whole time. Maybe the officers can give us a lift back to your home. Hey officers, can we get a lift back to Caillou's home? Sure, hop in. Let's go, you guys.
Now time to have fun.
So Caillou, what should we do?
I don't know, Dora.
Look, there's my truck. Come on, let's go in. Warning, headphones users, turn your headphones down as possible. This is loud, that can blow your eardrums. Please turn it down, it's not a joke. Oh wow, oh. How dare you leave us in the middle of nowhere and hijack this kid's truck? That's it. You're grounded for 6, 5, 8, 7. 6758668678867 billion years. Okay you guys, you can turn your headphones back up or go home now or you're grounded too.
And caillou, for doing all of this you're under arrest.
Okay kid, you can go home now. Now that caillou is gone we can relax. It's only 4:30 p.m. Anyways you guys, hope you like this video. Give this video and all my videos thumbs up and like, subscribe, favorite, leave comments below, and that's it. Goodbye.